I really like this SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater. It comes with these different attachments for different grating styles. It was really easy to get set up. You just put the base down where you want it to be, and then you put the lever down to the right, and then the base will not move. So it's really nice and sturdy for your grating activities. So today I'm going to be grating some cheddar cheese. So I chose the pair of cheese grater blades for the drum. And you can see here how easy they are to pop into the drum on either side. There are like extensions on the bottom and then they pop into place at the top. Then you pop the grating part into the clear drum and screw on the handle. And that is really easy to do. Everything lines up really simply and smoothly, and you just hand tighten the handle until it is secure, and then you are ready to get grating. I love the height of this cheese grater. I can grate or slice into a bowl and keep everything contained instead of having to use a plate and having everything spray all over the place. Now, this is a block of hard cheddar cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm grating it like it's nothing. And this would have taken me at least 5 minutes, and it took me 30 seconds or so. And when you get to the end of what you are grading, there's a safety pressing piece that you can use to get every last bit of what you are grading or slicing through the rotary grater. And so it is nice and safe to use. And because of the wide width of the barrel, none of my cheese got stuck inside of the grater and everything came out really nice and fluffy and separated. Now, to disassemble this for cleaning is really easy. So you just pop out the safety press, unscrew the handle, and then you do everything in reverse. You pull out the barrel, pop off the attachments, and then at the very end, you press the button on the top of the machine there to slide out the clear grating drum. And so the only things that cannot go in the dishwasher are the base and I would believe the handle as well. I don't put that into the dishwasher. But as you can see, these are the pieces that need to be cleaned. And I can clean these by hand, but today I am going to pop these into the dishwasher. So cleanup is a breeze. I 100% recommend this cheese grater. It has changed the game.